How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be putting up two different AIs head to head to see which can create the most powerful and the best tiny tower game. So we're going to be using Claude Fable 5, their latest AI model, and then we're going to be also testing out Gemini Pro to see which one is the best. Then we're also going to be showing you how we can get this live hosted to share with your friends and family, all within a matter of minutes. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so we are in Claude and I have just created this prompt. Now, the thing with AI is you need to make sure that you are giving it all the information it needs. If you give it a small prompt, it won't generate exactly what you wish for. So what I do is I tell it to build a HTML idle tower builder game. That's what we're creating today, called Rocket Rise. We're giving it the structure, making sure it understands exactly what the game is. Now, I'm also going to paste this prompt down in the captions below so you can copy and paste it for your own project. I've also talked about the model type, so when it's built, how each model is assigned or chosen from types like food gallery, retail, recreation, service, etc. We're talking about the economy, so how the commercial models stock up to 3 products. Basically going through the entire game mode because there's a lot of stuff in this game. So what we're going to do, we're going to hit enter and see what Claude brings out. Okay, so Claude has come back and let's just click what it has brought us. Here you are, we have the rocket tower. So we can press build, we can add a new model for 300, building in 9 seconds. We've got crew, we've got a shop, so we can convert crystal, plus 760 coins, and then we can use the up and down arrows to go to room, and then we can add and make it a quarters zeta. So pretty much you have the tiny tower mechanisms working, and I think what we need to add is some animation within this, because right now it's kind of just text. It's quite text heavy. We want to see little people walking around. So what I asked it was this: edit this app so you can see the highlighted animated people walking around. And what Claude brought back was this. We can now see the little people waddling around. So we can press build, 300, press crew. We can see there's no crew yet. Let's buy some crystal. We can build another one and we can go up. And then when we tap and select the quarters, we can see the sleep bay and those people can start entering the rocket ship. So the app is pretty much built. I'm happy with that. Again, you can build this however you want. It could be a mansion, it could be a log cabin, whatever you want, you can build it and Claude will create it for you. So now what we want to do is we want to connect it to go live to share with friends and family, because right now it's just living on our Claude. So if you go to something called TinyHost, we can go on the MCP for Claude. Now I've already installed this, but I'm just going to walk you through it. All you have to do is go to helpdesk.tiny.host and you can find how to connect the MCP server with Claude. It will give you a breakdown exactly how to scroll through it, but once you have connected the MCP, you can simply say make this go live using TinyHost, and let's hit enter and wait for Claude to publish this live. Okay, and there you have it. Claude has made it live on TinyHost. So if we just click this URL, open link, we can play this game in the browser. So we can now share this with our friends, our family. We can use this as an app, try and get some people involved. And if we go over to our TinyHost account, we can see it here and we can look into the analytics and see who is viewing our app. So it's just a really fast way to get it live, all using it within Claude by using the TinyHost MCP. Now, if we go over to Gemini, we have the same code in Gemini. So we can copy this code and we can go back over to TinyHost. We can press upload file again. If we go to upload file, we can click these arrows and we can paste HTML. We're just going to paste the Gemini HTML. We're using Gemini Pro for this and we'll just call this Tiny Tower. We hit publish and let's see what Gemini has brought in as well. So as you can see, we have the launchpad. It's a bit cryptic. We can build, can't go up and down or create the roster. Now with Claude, at least with Fable 5, we had a game. The only thing we animated was the little people playing. So overall, I would definitely use Claude for creating games with a bit more complexity to it. You can see the outline of it, but overall you've got all of this stuff, don't need that there. You've got all this code at the top, and just a lot of cryptic messaging. So I would definitely recommend Claude Fable 5 over Gemini Pro for building apps. And we've seen how we can get it live all within a matter of minutes. And there you have it, guys, your very own tiny tower. We found out that Claude Fable 5 was the winner, and then I showed you how to get it live to share with your friends all within a matter of minutes. If you found this video useful, guys, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe and follow for more videos like this.